brow rimmed with frostbite, his red flannel shirt barely visible under a weather-beaten leather jacket zipped halfway to his chin.
When we get in there, I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Stay sharp, these fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert! What the hell happened here? Where are the bodies?
Minutes of pure action. Generated entirely from text, no camera crew. No location scout, no budget, just a prompt and Veo 3.1 doing what Google has spent an enormous amount of compute training it to do. Look at the character consistency throughout that clip. Same face, same build, same clothing, across to full minutes of action. That is the thing that separates Veo 3.1 from everything else on this list. It doesn't forget who it's filming. Now, Google Veo 3.1, this one is interesting because access is still heavily restricted. You cannot just sign up and start generating. Google is rolling it out selectively through Gemini and Google Cloud's Vertex AI, and honestly, that exclusivity tells you everything about how seriously they're taking this model. Veo 3.1 was released in October 2025 by Google DeepMind. And what separates it from every other tool on this list is something most people overlook. Completely, it doesn't just generate video. It generates video and audio simultaneously, natively, in the same pipeline. No separate audio track, no software library. The rain sounds like that rain. The crowd sounds like that crowd. At a professional-grade 48 kHz sample rate. On the benchmark side, here's where it gets interesting. In direct comparisons with Sora 2, Veo 3.1 wins on character consistency across multiple scenes. Its reference image system allows up to 3 anchor images. Tool number to Kling 3.0 the physics. Let me show you where we are. This is the Kling AI interface. And the first thing you notice before you've generated a single frame is how much is actually here. Text to video, image to video, multi-shot storyboarding, motion brush, character cloning, native audio, VFX editing, all of it. Inside one dashboard, this is not a video generator. This is a cinematic production platform that happens to run on AI.